In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a PayPal gift card. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up PayPal. Now, there's actually multiple ways that we can go ahead and approach this. So number one is to actually add the prepaid PayPal gift card to your account. So if you got like a physical card or something like that, then what you would need to do is you need to go ahead and just open up PayPal like you normally would, and you need to add that as a payment method. So basically, whenever you do check out, you're going to be using the payment method of your gift card instead of your usual bank. So to do this, we're just going to go ahead and select on finance, and then we're going to go ahead and select on banks and cards. Then it is going to bring us to a menu that looks like this, and all we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on this one over here that does say link a card. And whenever you do press on that, it is then going to give you the option to go ahead and enter in the card number, the expiration date, and the security code as well. And after you went ahead and add the card balance can now be used for purchases where PayPal is accepted. Alternatively, we can go ahead and look up a website called Rewardable, and we can go ahead and just press on the first link that does appear, and then it is going to open up something like this, and basically we can go ahead and redeem a virtual gift card. So this is definitely one option that you guys can go ahead and use, but keep in mind that this option does take a lot of fees. So personally, I don't really recommend this option. However, I just want to inform you guys that this is definitely an option that you guys can go ahead and try out. So you guys can go ahead and select on PayPal over here, and then press on redeem for PayPal just like so. Enter in your email address and the code over here, and then you should be able to redeem it. But again, if you did get a PayPal digital card, then you need to go ahead and open up the email, and then it should actually give you instructions on how to actually redeem it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.